rockstar? Are you feeling buried under paperwork, digital marketing, and the endless hustle for leads? What if I told you there's a way to save up to 10 hours a week on administrative tasks and double your lead generation with a secret weapon most agents aren't using? Stick around, because in this video we're going to break down the best AI tools for real estate agents and show you exactly how to get that time back to focus on what you love: closing deals. The truth is, the real estate game has changed. The old way of doing business, endless cold calling, expensive lead buying, and manual marketing, is a grind that holds so many great agents back. You got into this business to help people find their dream home, not to become an SEO expert or an ad manager. That's where AI comes in. It's not science fiction, it's a powerful partner that can work for you 24/7. AI, at its core, is the science of making machines smart, giving them the ability to mimic human intelligence. Unlike traditional software that follows a rigid set of rules, AI systems are trained on massive amounts of data to learn and improve over time, allowing them to perform tasks autonomously. For a real estate agent, this means AI can handle time-consuming repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on money-making activities. In this video, we'll simplify what AI is, and then give you a curated list of the top tools you need to know about. When it comes to using AI, you have two main options. The first is an all-in-one solution, like having an entire marketing team in one platform. The second is an a la carte tech stack, where you pick and choose the best tool for each specific job. We're going to look at both, so you can decide what's right for you. Let's start with the all-in-one approach. Luxury Presence offers an autonomous AI marketing team that works in the background without you having to manage it day to day. This isn't just a single tool, it's 4 specialized AI specialists that take complete ownership of your marketing. You have an AI SEO specialist to boost your visibility online, an AI ads specialist that manages your digital campaigns for a better return on investment, an AI blog specialist that writes hyper-local content to position you as an expert, and a lead nurture specialist that engages prospects for you and hands them off when they're ready. We're talking about serious results here. Clients using Luxury Presence saw their sales volume grow nearly 2 times faster than their peers, and they closed over $300 billion in transactions in 2024 alone. Now, for the agent who likes to build their own perfect system, let's talk about the a la carte approach. This is where you combine the best individual tools to create a custom workflow. Here are some of the highest impact tools you can add to your tech stack today. First, for content creation. You're already shooting property tours and market updates, right? Instead of spending hours editing, use a tool like Opus Clip to instantly turn your long-form video into bite-sized clips for social media. Or use Canva's AI tools to design stunning listings and brochures in minutes. And forget about expensive furniture rentals. Tools like Virtual Staging AI can digitally furnish an empty home with hyper-realistic decor, saving you money and helping buyers visualize the space. Next, let's talk lead generation and management. Property Radar is an incredible platform for building hyper-targeted lead lists using over 285 filters to find hidden opportunities. And you can connect it to an AI-powered CRM like Close CRM, which not only automates your tasks, but also uses AI to find hidden opportunities in your existing network. In fact, these two platforms can be connected via Zapier to automate your lead funnel. Finally, for productivity. Tired of taking notes on client calls? Tools like Zembly can act as your personal AI chief of staff, summarizing conversations and handling your scheduling for you. So, what's the takeaway here? AI is not a gimmick, it's a proven way to save time and make more money. Whether you choose a simple, all-in-one platform like Luxury Presence or build a custom tech stack with individual tools, the goal is the same: get back to doing what you do best. It's about leveraging technology to give you a competitive edge. It's about working smarter, not harder.
If you want to dive and dip into any of the AI tools, we break it down right here. This is how we work smarter, not harder.
And if you're serious about using video to build your real estate business, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. We release new strategies every week to help you win in this market.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.